Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unblock someone on Steam. Now let us begin. In my previous video, I had taught you guys how to block communications with someone on Steam, and right now we want to unblock them. Well, it is quite easy. The process is quite similar. At the top left, you can see the friends button right here. Click on it, and all you guys need to do is click on this button called as View Friends. And as you guys can see, this right here is my friend that I had previously blocked. The blocked status is provided here as well, and right now I want to unblock them. Let's simply right click, and this thing will open up. From here you can view their profile, find games to play together, and even trade. But right now we want to unblock them. Simply hover over this manage button right here, and almost at the very bottom you can see a button like this called as unblock all communications. Click on it, and guys, give your confirmation. Unblock all communications. That is it guys, that's how you unblock someone on Steam. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.